Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Good morning to all. Hello dear students, learners. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Rafiqul Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, Bakulia High School. Beginning of my lecture, welcome to famous Bakulia High School online class. Dear learners, hopefully you are facing a pandemic situation in this COVID-19. So, bless for you and me. Dear students, I would like to take another important class or selected topics. These selected topics about class 10 subject English first paper unit 4 lesson 5. Unit 4 lesson 5. Dear learners, today's selected topics, let's become skilled workforce. I'm again saying that let's become skilled workforce. Hopefully understood what I inauguration speech today's class. Dear students, today's class I have written some important or vital vocabulary about today's lecture, such that word meaning, synonym and antonym. So dear learners, in this vocabulary I will describe at this moment. Be attentive in my lecture. Don't make a noise in this online class. Okay. So dear students, comes to the describe or express about the vocabulary. Dear learners, first of all we can see communicate. It means that exchange information, news or thought, ideas. Synonym connect, contact. On the other hand, antonym disconnect. Next, ambassador. This word expressed to say that an accredited diplomat sent by a state representative foreign country. Synonym diplomat, representative. Or antonym native, linked, any organization or group. Understood, dear students? Next, unemployment. It means that a person without a paid job but available to work. Synonym jobless and waste or antonym employed. Skilled, having the knowledge, ability to perform a certain activity or work. Synonym expert, antonym unskilled. Isn't it, dear students? Then last word supplementary. It means that completing or enhancing something. Synonym extra or additional. Antonym mandatory, essential, compulsory, etc. Isn't it, dear students? Hopefully understood. I have discussed. Thank you so much, dear learners. Okay, let's come to textbook. Dear learners, in this textbook you have to open page number 52 and today's selected topic, let's become skilled workforce. I'm again saying that let's become skilled workforce. So, dear students, today I will describe in this scene passage. First of all, I am reading in this passage and describing a step by step or line by line or passage some important things. Be attentive in my lecture what I have said. Okay, let's come start. Dear learners, today there are many jobs where you need English. This is because the world has become smaller. Vast distance are shortened by speedy transports. We can talk to a person thousands of kilometers away on the phone or the internet. Dear learners, in this line I am again saying that today there are many jobs where you need English. It means that there are many kinds of jobs depend on English. If you can expert, then you can get a good job to follow English. On the other hand, we know that English is an international language. Those who are get expert or skilled for English, they can get any kinds of job like that native or foreign country. Today is modern or technology world. So day by day the present world is smaller and easier. So the vast distance are shortened by speedy transport. Dear students, in this line we can see our important word vast. It means that huge or colossal. So we can communicate with the whole world easily. English has made this communication easier. So we can communicate with the whole world easily. English has made this communication easier. So dear learners, if we go foreign country or any communication from native to foreign country, then English has helped or made this communication easier, comfortable and so much peacefully. Okay, let's come to second paragraph. There are many countries in the world with many languages, but to communicate with them, you cannot use all the languages. So you need a common language that you can use with more or less all the people in the world. So in this line, there are many countries in the world with many languages, but communicate with them you cannot use all the languages. On this poem, you can use or essential a common language. This is called the common language or third language, English, or an international language. English is that common language. You can talk to a Chinese toy maker, a French artist, an Arab ambassador or a Korean builder in one language, English, and English. Dear students, in this line you can understand or focus on this poem like that ambassador. It means that an accredited diplomat sent by a state representative for a country. This is called the ambassador. Let's come to third paragraph. English for us in Bangladesh is all the more important. As we have seen earlier, we are too many people in a small country. If you learn English, you have the best opportunity to find a good job both within and outside the country. and that is good news for millions of our unemployed youths. So, dear learners, in this line expresses to that English for us in Bangladesh all the more important. As we have seen earlier, we are too many people in a technology country. So, dear learners, if you learn English or can get expert to communicate, speaking, writing, reading, etc., then you can get a golden opportunity to get a higher rank job, native and foreign country. Is good news for millions of our unemployment youths, isn't it? Dear student, please turn over this page. But Miss, we learn English for 12 or 14 years, yet we do not find good jobs, says Rumi. She then tells the class about what happened to her brother. Could you please tell us why? Rumi asks his English teacher, we learn English for 12 or 14 years, but we do not find any good job. What's happened to this matter? Then, this is a very important question, Rumi. Replied the English teacher in his class. This is a very important question. We should learn how to use English both orally and in writing. For doing this as needed in our work, such as communicating with others at personal, social, national and international levels. So, in this learner, Rumi asks his English teacher, 12 or 14 years, we do not find any good job. This question, her English teacher replied to that we should learn how to use English both orally and in writing. Dear students, in this poem clarified to that Miss Wallet how to use learning English methods like that writing, reading, spelling and orally or speaking, etc. Communicating with others at personal, social, national and international levels. If you get expert or skill, the following rules and regulation, 4 kinds of method English, then you can get communicate foreign or any hosting or guest foreign country. Then you can get a higher level job to follow the English. Let's come to last para. But where and how can we learn this kind of English means asked Rathod. Mr. Chaudhary says we can learn English both in and outside the classroom. Besides your textbooks, the radio, television, newspapers, magazines, computers and other supplementary materials will greatly help you. So, dear students, her English teacher, Mr. Chaudhary says that we can learn English both in and outside the classroom. Besides your textbook, you can learn English to follow, listening news from radio, television, to see newspaper, magazines, computers and other supplementary materials will greatly help you. Dear learners or students, in this passage we can get important word like that supplementary. It means that completing or enhancing something. On the other hand, we can see synonym, extra or additional, antonym, mandatory. Hopefully understood in this line, clarify or express two important words supplementary. During our classroom activities, we will see how we can learn English. Dear learners, if you got expert the English, you can follow rules and regulation, 4 kinds of methods, especially orally and writing, then you can get a higher good job to communicate any kinds of information foreign country. Okay, and if you follow rules and regulation about an international language, you can need textbook beside the radio, television, newspaper, magazine and computers and other supplementary materials will great help you. Dear learners, at this time I have completed in my lecture. So next class you have to bring SW like the E, F and G. I'm again saying that next class you have to bring homework E, F, G. So dear learners, if you understood in this class or today selected topics, let's become skilled workforce fully, then you can get a good mark or figure in the exam in your upcoming examination. So on the other hand, you have to remind this to calm point such that write a paragraph about an importance of learning English. You have to see in your home. Stay safe, stay alive, bless for me and you. Read and read. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.